If you're planning a move, you know how quickly all the little tasks can pile up. Here are a few ways Copilot in Word can help make the process a little easier. First, I want a single place to keep track of all my moving to-dos. I'll start with Copilot in Word and a prompt like, create a moving checklist and timeline for a 2-bedroom apartment. Include packing tasks, utility transfers, address updates, moving day prep, and pet-related reminders. Copilot instantly breaks things down into manageable steps and includes reminders for tasks I hadn't even thought to do myself. One thing that always gets chaotic during a move is keeping track of what's actually inside all the boxes. I can ask Copilot to create a box labeling and inventory tracker for my move with box numbers, room destinations, priority levels, suggested items for each box, and notes for anything fragile. Now I can stay organized while packing and unpacking later. Packing everything up is one thing, but actually moving all of it on moving day is another. Let's make this a little easier with a prompt like, create a table comparing local moving companies in San Diego, including services, pricing, and customer ratings. And Copilot pulls in the requested information so I can start comparing options for my move. Just a few simple ways Copilot can help make moving day feel less stressful. For more helpful tips, check out the Microsoft Copilot Learning Center.